on. So this was the perfect time for us to really see what this 22 Nissan Altima all-wheel drive system can do. Um, it felt like a safe car. I was actually surprised. I mean, it's crazy how far these cars have come a long way from what I remember an Altima used to look like back in the day, to be honest. But the thing about this is, let me ask you guys, I've talked about opening my channel up to a different kind of content, right? Just more of my lifestyle too. And so I want to know from your feedback, how many of you want to see maybe more content about cars, about vehicles, other passions that I've gotten in my life. I had a video this morning thinking about this, and it really came down to, we can't enjoy life and enjoy some things on our way up to the top. We don't know if we'll ever reach the point of the top, and especially if you got a family and kids who are older, and you don't know if you're going to get these time back. And so I think there's something to it, to where we can build wealth, we can climb to the top, we can have all the great things, we can achieve great stuff, but we can also do that and have fun at the same time on the way up. So let me know, if you guys agree with that. Maybe, do you think it should be all delayed gratification, all sacrifice until you hit the top? Or do you think that you should enjoy your life on the climb up, because you just don't know if you're going to get that time? I'd love to share some of this here with you, just do some reviews, tell you what we think, how we like it. So grateful, so forth, the things that we do in life. And so just want to share all of my passions, like I said, maybe turn more of my stuff into a lifestyle thing where you guys get to see more of me, more of the things that I'm into and enjoy, just to get a better idea of who I am, and what things outside of fitness I enjoy in life. So let me know below, and we'll see what the verdict is, and see if we open up this channel to even more content, specifically to cars and things like that. So